Welcome on AlphaBot login page. AlphaBot is basically a bot which is used to create strategies according to your calculations, and those strategies will give you profit profit. And this bot is linked to your trading accounts, like if you have any account in Binance, KuCoin, or in any other exchange. So this bot will be linked with your account, okay, and then it will do trading according to your calculations and the given data, and then it will produce profit or loss for you, okay. So let's say and today we are going to learn how to use our AlphaBot. So first you need to log in. After login, you are landed to your home page of AlphaBot. Then go to Portfolio. Here it will show you how many trading assets you are having. He says that you have Bitcoin 99.41% and USDT this. The total amount of Bitcoin is 30 and this is 3000, and value of USDT in value of Bitcoin in USDT and USDT in USDT, and available are these, logged order are these. Okay, so we can change our portfolio. For example, let's say we if we go to profile, and then down here we have a trading option. If you click on trading, you found first trade setting. So if you click here, it will choose a reference market. Let's say we wanted to choose BTC as a reference market. Okay, yes, and then BTC is configured as our reference market, and then we save and restart, and then restart all. Then go to your trading. Now you find that your reference market is now Bitcoin. Here you can select your risk ratio. The 0.5 is a moderate risk. It means you got 50% profit and 50% loss. If you take it to 1, it means that you could lose 100% or you could got profit 100%. And if it will be 0.1 something, and then it will be very conservative. So let's say 0.4 is better, and locked it. And then you find a trader option here and trader simulator. The trader is your live trading, and the trader simulator is your simulating bot which will be run in sandbox. Okay, so now our trade simulator is enabled. Here its marker is 0.0%, taker is 0.01%. Now our starting portfolio is this. We are having this portfolio. If we wanted to change the amount, let's say we want have this amount of BTC in our account. It's only in our simulator account, okay. And let's say we want 250 USDT in our simulating account for testing, and then okay. Now save and restart, and then restart all. And now you go to strategies page. If you click on trading, then you found that your portfolio is your portfolio is now enhanced, updated. Okay, so now we are going to our profile page. Now in our profile, we are getting trading mods. Here we are having arbitrage trading mode, DCA trading mode, and we are having total 9 trading modes here. You can also switch from here. Let's say you want, here are we are getting some profile pictures having a lock with them. It means that you can only read them. You cannot use them in your as a bot. You cannot use that strategies. So if you want to use the strategies, let's say you want to use dip analyzer. If you click on it and you wanted to use this profile, if you click on use this profile, it will show you this profile is only read only. Okay, so if you wanted to use this profile,